This Adanalian and Vasquez Real Estate property video is presented by Aaron Vasquez. This stunning 6-bedroom, 3-bath residence offers the perfect blend of space, comfort, and functionality. Enjoy warm summer days in the sparkling pool and lower energy bills thanks to owned solar panels. The versatile floor plan includes generous living areas, ideal for multi-generational living or growing families. The master closet is what dreams are made of. It's the size of a bedroom. Outside you will find ample RV parking, perfect for your toys or travel needs. Located in a desirable neighborhood close to schools, parks, and shopping, this home truly has it all. Don't miss the chance to make it yours. For more information